Hey guys, in today's video, I want to take a look at your house taxes. So, for your property taxes, this would be the email that you guys would get. It would say something like so. If you click on it, this is the email that it's going to come from. So I wanted to show you that, so that way it doesn't go to junk mail. So make sure to add this, so that way, again, it doesn't go to your junk mail, you're going to get it right away. Now the email is going to look something like this. And if you scroll down, there's going to be two attachments. One of them is going to be the taxes that you guys have to pay. So, that said, you will be required to have an access code. This access code, you would have already had it when you signed up for e-billing. However, if you don't remember, it doesn't matter because you did get your taxes by mail before. So just look through those taxes and you're going to see that code. So once again, your code, that's the most important thing, your access code, will be on that paper, okay? So if you guys did get your taxes before, your property taxes before by mail, which most of you have, then you would see your access code there, and you're gonna need that to open up the PDF. And of course, if you're having any issues, you guys can just email this right here, support@hamilton.ca. That's how you know it's legit, because it has to be from hamilton.ca. So make sure that this is the one that you're getting, and it's not something that's fishy out there that you might have got through your email. Now, one of the PDFs that you would have gotten would look like this. So this is one of them. There's two attachments. This is for final property tax brochure, but if this is your first one, it might not be like the final one. So don't worry if it doesn't say final. That's okay. And this brochure just basically tells you where is your money going to? What are these taxes being used for? So you guys can see that right here. Now your brochure, you're going to see this for e-billing as well. However, this is an e-bill already, so you've done that. And I just want to highlight to go through the whole brochure because it's going to tell you anything new about this. So for example, this is a brand new law right now about your alarms. So just make sure to go through that because that's very important. And in your email, just to show you, that's how the PDF looks like. So this is the attachment right here. This is the brochure, and beside it is the actual other one, which I'm going to show you right now. To download it, just press here, or I can just drag it out of here as well. But the brochures I usually don't download myself. I just leave them. Alright, so your PDF is going to look something like this, and it's locked. So to get it unlocked, you're going to have to put that access code. This is again for your property taxes. So we're going to double tap on it. And then right here, it's going to tell us right away, this document's password protected. Again, the password would be the access code that you have on your physical copies from your property taxes, or if you remember, you saved it when you signed up for this. Anyways, we're going to just put it in here. So just tap on it, and then you guys can just tap here and type in what it is. So once you tap and you write it down, just press enter in your keyboard. All right, and here are my taxes. Anyways, these are property taxes once again. Doesn't matter what year this is. It's going to be the same thing for all of you, whichever year you're watching this in. And by the way, if you're looking for that code that I'm talking about, it would be in your taxes on the very top right hand side. So like I mentioned, very top right hand side, it's gonna tell you access code. So that's what you're looking for. So if you're still looking for that code, that's what you're looking for in the paper. Or if you guys have old, maybe you downloaded it from before and you just forgot your code, well, in that old PDF, you should have it right there. All right, so now that we have our PDF open with preview, which comes with your Mac, it's already something installed. Don't use Acrobat or anything else like that because it might not work. But this is the easiest way to do it and free. So just tap on File. And from File, what used to work is Save or even Export. Now, for some reason, that's not working. What we have to do is print. We're not actually going to print it. We're just going to save it, though. So press on Print. All right, so once you press on Print, you're going to see all of this. And what you guys want to do is just go all the way down. You're going to see PDF as an option. You might have see other options here, too. And what you guys want to do is save as PDF. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And once you do that, just make sure to select another name so you don't overwrite the first one. And then on the right hand side, just press save. And right now you guys will notice that there's no longer a lock on it. So that's how you guys can take off the lock the easy way. There's a bunch of ways to do this, obviously, but this is the easiest way to just save it as a new PDF. But save it this way, so that way it takes off anything. So right now you can open it, or if you're going to send it to your accountant, he can open it without having the password But anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, guys, comment down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.